Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well outside, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem Steam gift card on mobile. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem a Steam gift card on mobile, what you need to do first is simply download the Steam app. If you haven't downloaded it, simply head over to the App Store, then on the search bar type in Steam, then simply tap on the app to download the app, and by tapping on Get, what you need to do now is follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Then once downloaded, simply tap on Open, and here you need to sign in with your Steam account and password. Then simply tap on Sign In, and once signed into your account, what you need to do is select Store from the menu. Then once you are in the store, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon or your wallet. Simply scroll down and then tap on Add Funds to your Steam wallet. Then select Redeem a Steam gift card or redeem code. Then once done, simply enter the gift card code by scratching your physical card or check your e-gift card email for the code and enter the code carefully. Once done, simply tap on Continue or Redeem, and your Steam wallet balance will be updated with the gift card amount, and you can now purchase games, DLC or items from the Steam store. Make sure the Steam account version matches the gift card version and enter the code exactly with no spaces or extra characters, and if the code is already redeemed, double check with the sender or Steam support. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.